Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Wednesday, January 23rd, 2019. On the 19th, there was a strong magnitude 7.0 earthquake near Coquimbo, Chile, at a depth of 50 kilometers. 2 people died from cardiac arrest as a result of the quake, as well as damage to homes and infrastructure. On the 21st, there were 2 large earthquakes near Sumba, Indonesia. First was a magnitude 6.0 at a depth of 10 kilometers, followed by a magnitude 6.4 at a depth of 16 kilometers. On the 22nd, there was a magnitude 6.7 earthquake near the Prince Edward Islands at a depth of 10 kilometers. On the 23rd, a powerful eruption began at the Moats volcano in Papua New Guinea, ejecting ash over 12 kilometers above the crater and prompting the aviation color code to be raised to red. On the 22nd, there was a powerful explosion from the Popocatépetl volcano in Mexico, spewing lava bombs and incandescent material onto the slopes and ejecting ash up to 2 kilometers above the crater. Also on the 22nd, satellite images show a new volcanic ash plume was observed at the remote Michael volcano at Saunders Island in Antarctica. New images show an ash plume reaching about 2 kilometers above the crater. The volcano began showing signs of activity at the end of 2018. The last known signs of activity from this volcano occurred in 2005, but the last major eruption occurred in the late 1900s. On the 20th, there was a strong explosion from the Bezai-Mayani volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, ejecting ash up to 10 kilometers above the crater. The aviation color code has been raised to red. The activity at the Stromboli volcano in Italy remains high. There are currently 6 active vents producing Strombolian explosions. The new cinder cone that has developed around the northeast vent is now displaying continuous lava spattering, as well as Strombolian explosions. Right now, there are 52 volcanoes either erupting or on high alert. Also on the 22nd, strong storms caused catastrophic flooding in Makassar, Sulawesi, Indonesia, killing 8 people, destroying homes, and severely damaging infrastructure. Last week, several thousand more birds have died at Lake Gregory in Australia, which is one of its most important inland wetlands and a permanent freshwater lake. The cause of death remains a mystery, as a department investigation excluded bird flu and Newcastle disease as a cause. The investigation identified the presence of a blue-green algae close to the lake, which may have contributed to the deaths. And on the 23rd, 40 wild horses were found dead at a dry waterhole in Santa Teresa, Australia. Officials believe the horses died due to the extreme high temperatures. And this comes after thousands of fish died in Australia's Darling River, as well as flying foxes falling from trees by the thousands due to the extreme weather conditions. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.